Hi guys, welcome back to Chetan Apte's vlogs. I'm going to give my car for servicing. My car has come for servicing. Look how dirty that is. Now this thing will be fixed somehow by some screws. Engine oil will be changed, air filter will be cleaned. This something called as engine flush. This thing will be used to flush the engine, remove our old oil, and new oil will be added. This is good for health of the car engine. Old screws removed. Now it is being pulled up in the right place. Screw being pushed in.
आईस काय पाणी टाकलं तरी चालते. आईसची काय आवश्यकता नाही. पाणी जरी टाकलं ना तरी ॲक्च्युली काय आहे तो कूलर आहे ना, कूलरचा हवा देतो, पण पाण्याचं मतलब काय आहे ते थंड हवा येते त्याच्यात, आणि आईस टाकशील तर अजून थंड येतो. असं आहे. नॉर्मली पाणी टाकलं.
This is just a temporary arrangement. So those buttons that were removed are now being fixed. So it's a kind of stopgap arrangement before the bumper is changed. It is going to cost some 8,000 rupees.
बाकी अशी नवरात्र सुट्टी नाही ना. आता तेच असेल आणि मग अनवटे शनिवार अपडे असेल पण बाकी आपले.
So basically this and this are fitted back. Are going on the ramp for servicing. Can of engine flush is emptied into engine. Now the car engine will be started for a while. Engine cap, oil cap being replaced.
हाँ स्टार्ट करो. दिखता हूँ.
Our engine has started. Now that engine flush, that liquid will move all around the engine and clean all the engine components. Car is raised up on the jack on the ramp. Now oil will be drained out. Engine is still running. The oil that is there in the engine right now will be drained and flushed and will be collected in this tub, kind of being preliminary washed. All the muck will be cleaned. See how the water wheel is moving with the force of water. Front wheel being cleaned similarly. Engine was on till now for the purpose of that engine flush thing, which is now turned off. This car is front wheel drive and it was put in gear for not getting moved out of place. So for cleaning, the gear had to put to neutral and started moving dug. Now the engine is turned off. These are the jacks on which it is sitting. They are mounted on this rail. Once the car goes down, it will take out. The jacks will be taken out. Now it will be cleaned from underside as well. Yeah, like that way. That is where the oil drain is. Once that wall is open, all the oil will be drained and collected in this tub. There it is. This black streak is all the dirty oil that was there in the engine. It's being drained out. Oil tank is now emptied. This wooden plank wouldn't let the wheels turn. As you can see, it is holding the turning mechanism, and similarly on the other side and on the rear side as well. Oil filter is now being opened. This guy is the oil filter that has been removed. Now it will be cleaned and replaced. The balance oil in the engine is still trickling into this tub. This is new oil filter which will be placed from where the old one was removed. Filter is being replaced and tight. The filter itself is out of the view. Now the lower portion of the car is being cleaned. Here only the wheels and surrounding area was cleaned. Light is being arranged from the car battery itself. There we have the light. So engine oil is being replaced. We saw that it was cleaned earlier and drained. Now fresh oil is being added. Some 2 liters of oil will be added first, and then it will be checked whether more oil is required.
A few moments later.
So here's the dashboard of my car, and I had kept phone there, and that's how I was talking to you. So the car is serviced. Smooth running has started. Change of engine oil has started showing its results. Awesome feel. It's basically the next day. It was night, as you saw by the time the servicing was over. So I'm just taking a test run of the car after the servicing. So hope it was useful, that how the engine oil was removed, how the oil filter was replaced, and how the general cleaning was done, and rest of the cleaning process. Like, share, comment on this video. Show your love therein, and like I always say, keep spreading happiness, just like that. Ding dong. See you soon.